ladies and gentlemen, dear guests, and everybody who's joining us via webcast. A very, very warm welcome to EES 2025 CATL Path to Horizon's new TENER product launch event. We are very honored to have you with us today to witness the launch of CATL's latest revolutionary product. Let's welcome on stage Amanda Xu, CTO, ESS and President of ESS Euros, to give a strategy speech.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, partners and medium representatives, good afternoon. I'm Amanda. It's a great honor to be here at Intersolar. Innovation is the key to the continuous improvement of the renewable energy. Over the past decade, we have invested significantly in R&D, from material electrochemistry and new applications. By now, we have investigated more than $10 billion in R&D. Our total granted and pending patents exceed 4,300, 43,000 actually. Okay, in 2022, we launched the chilling battery with a record integration efficiency of 72%. And then we launched our condensed battery in 2023. The energy density is up to 500 watt-hour per kilogram. You know, that enable the passenger aircrafts. Okay, at the same year, we also launched the Shenzhen 4C super fast charging battery. We open up the era of super fast EV charging. Okay, this has enabled the era of super fast charging, and one single charging, it can provide exceed 1,000 kilometers. Okay, 2 weeks ago in Shanghai, remember, we launched Nextra battery, sodium-ion battery technologies, enable the heavy truck under minus 24 degrees C, also enable the passenger vehicles without boundaries. Okay, at the same time, we launched the second generation Shenzhen super fast charging battery. One single charge, it enables 800 kilometers range, and the peak power charging rate can reach 12 C. Okay, the most important, the fast charge, at the same time, it can provide more than 800 kilometers range. So it's a milestone for us. The third one is the FreeVoid dual power battery. It's introducing a pioneering cross-chemistry system. So it's designed to transcend the limitation of single battery chemistry to meet the customized user applications. Okay, by the end of 2024, we deliver 17 million EV cars. So all these cars powered by CATL batteries. Thank you. We have also achieved outstanding results in the field of energy storage. In 2011, we firstly introduced the LFP chemistry into the energy storage solutions. We invented the 280 ampere-hour cell in the industry, and we also developed the first liquid-cooled containers and rank in the industry, both now recognized as the standardized products and define the landscape of the industry. Okay, we launched the world's first 6.25 megawatt-hour 20-feet container. So the brand is TENER in 2024. That product can deliver more than 50,000 cycle lifespan, leading the industry towards a zero degradation era globally. Okay, in 2024, we delivered over 93 gigawatt-hour of energy across more than 1,700 projects. Okay, so our market share, we achieved market share 36.5%. Okay, with CATL, we commit to maximizing the value of recycling. It's the third part. We now can achieve 100% recycling of the components in our battery cells, 100%. With a nickel, cobalt, and magnesium recycling rate very, very close to 100%. Just the 0.4% left. Okay, for the lithium, recycling rate exceeds 93.8%. So don't worry about the resources anymore. So with a capacity of 270,000 tons of used batteries. So this March, together with the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, we launched the Global Energy Circularity Commitment, GECC. We dedicated to achieve the true carbon neutrality. Starting in September, we will roll out initiatives during London Climate Action Week and other programs that turn circular economy ideas into action. Okay, we firmly believe that the essence of energy transformation is to enable every kilowatt-hour of electricity in the energy network to be green, to achieve the true carbon neutrality. Okay, CATL has always been the forefront of the energy transition. Today, we meet the expectation of the best system that has high energy density, small footprint, simple AC side configuration, and flexible deployment. We bring the latest CATL TENER energy storage solution. We break the limitations of power capacity and product transportation. Remember, transportation. And make breakthroughs in space utilization, energy efficiency, and cost. So let's welcome my colleague Hank to reveal the future of energy storage solutions. Thank you all of you. Please, Hank.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Welcome to this exciting product launch event. I'm Hank, CTO of ESS Europe. In the first quarter of 2024, CATL officially launched the world's first 6 megawatt-hour level container product, Tener, with a zero degradation performance in the first 5 years, which received a warm welcome globally. But is 6 megawatt-hour enough? Now everyone in the market is still looking for a best system that has high energy density, small footprint, and simpler AC compatibility and flexible deployment. However, high energy will typically lead to a high weight, which makes the transportation more difficult. The conflict between energy and the transportation limits the growth of the whole industry. It is this challenge that inspires our exploration for a more efficient energy storage solutions. Today, it is my pleasure to introduce to you Tener Stack. So, Tener Stack, as you see, giant and flexible. First of all, giant. By utilizing the high energy density battery cell with a 5-year zero degradation feature, the Tener Stack improves the volume utilization by 45% and increase the projected energy density by 50% over the traditional tanful containers. By increasing the vertical utilization rate, Tener Stack has achieved over 9 megawatt-hour energy capacity, which is highest in the world now. 9 megawatt-hour can fully charge 150 Volkswagen ID.4 vehicles at the same time. Or it can provide 6 years of the energy of the electricity demands for an average German household. By improving the capacity is just the first step. Converting every kilowatt hour of energy efficiency is the next. Tener Stack supports both string and centralized PCS, which ensures a wide array of compatibility with the mainstream PCS in the market. We have created a fully adaptable system to fit the demands in different scenarios. Tenor Stack has a scalable capacity with a maximum of 9 megawatt hour. For example, to build a 800 megawatt hour power station, by deploying a common 6 megawatt hour 12-volt container and a tenor stack, the tenor stack, the quantity is a third less. The number of PCS is also reduced by 40%, and saving nearly half of the land. And finally, we can reduce the total site investment by 20% and achieve a smaller footprint, larger capacity, and a lower investment. Now, how to make the giant tenor stack more flexible? When a single container, the weight reaches 50 tons or even more, it starts to bring a lot of trouble for transportation. To solve the weight limitations, many attempts has been made, like disassemble the battery packs or battery racks for the transportation and to reassemble them on site. But those will increase the cost and deployment times and may even cause performance degradations. Eventually, will resulting in a conflict between cost and energy efficiency. We have also tried many ways and eventually arrived at this two-in-one solution, tenor stack, that allows the product to be split horizontally into two half-height units for easy transportation and assembly on site. Each unit, the weight is controlled strictly under 36 tons, meeting the transport standards of 99% of the countries worldwide. We also optimize the internal cooling and the wiring design of the tenor stack so that it can support the plug-and-play design to be assembled efficiently on site. Its footprint still remains fully compliant with the standard 20-feet container, matching the standardized cargo and the container lifting equipments, supporting more convenient transportation and loading. The per kilowatt hour transport cost can be 35% lower. Additionally, during the land transportation, the two units can be shipped separately, which makes the center of gravity lower than the standard containers. The base is now more stable, and the risk for tipping over is much reduced. Therefore, tenor stack can be easily transported in the marine and land network. Besides being giant and flexible, we remain committed to reliability. We are always committed to a zero accidents guarantee. Tenor Stack has applied new sensor materials. The gas detection sensitivity has improved by 40% and 35% faster response than the traditional sensors. And to resist fire, TENER Stack used the new thermal isolation materials and the triple layer protection. It lowered the flammable gas alarm threshold by 10% and extends the fire resistance duration to more than 2 hours. TENER Stack reduces the risk of thermal runaway and also thermal propagation. It provides a much more time to respond to and to mitigate the risk and the damage. By the application of the new material and the upgraded structure, TENER Stack can meet the IEEE 693 high performance standard, which means it equals to a magnitude 9 earthquake or a level 5 hurricane, ensuring a stable operation even in the harshest conditions. TENER Stack features a top-mounted chiller to expel the hot air directly upwards, and thermally decoupling the adjacent containers and shielding the nearby equipment from prolonged heat exposure, and ensuring a stable power supply. The top-mounted chiller efficiently lowers the noise output, achieving the operations within 65 dBA at 1 meter distance. This will minimize the noise pollution in the residential areas and help to unlock the best deployment at urban area. TENER Stack, giant, flexible, reliable, and quiet. We are not only delivering an energy storage product, but a solution for energy accessibility that can be applied globally. 9 megawatt hour is not the limit of the energy capacity or the space. Every breakthrough in the energy density in the future, it will unleash greater energy value from a smaller footprint. Thank you for witnessing the launch of CATL TENER Stack energy storage solution and entering the era of 9 megawatt hour. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Hank Zhao, for this in-depth overview of our new storage solution, TENER Stack, world's first mass-productive 9 megawatt-hour energy storage system solution, giant and flexible. We couldn't have such an achievement without our Viant clan support. So now, let's see what some representatives of our clients want to share with us for this launch event.
I'm Brian Restall. I'm a managing partner at Quinbrook. For stationary storage, the best available technology is CATL. CATL are the clear market leaders in this space. We've worked closely now with CATL for over 8 years. CATL has become a strong partner of Quinbrook. This relationship has led to many successful mega projects that have all been delivered on time and to budget. We look forward to working with CATL and deploying their market-leading technologies going forward.
Hello, I'm Elena, Head of International Renewable Energy Agency Coalition for Action, a global network of leading renewable energy stakeholders working together to accelerate the energy transition. Our coalition brings together 180 leading renewable stakeholders for knowledge sharing, dialogue and coordinated actions. And I'm very proud that CATL serves on our steering group and leads our energy storage, grids and variable renewables task force. Together with CATL and fellow members, we are finalizing the key enablers for the Energy Solutions Solar and Storage Report later this year, a testament to our coalition's success in ensuring every voice from industry to civil society is heard. We are excited to continue this journey with CATL and our coalition members, turning ambition into action and delivering real impact.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Skokert. I'm the Sales Director for Energy Storage at CATL. We are very happy with our trusted partnership with CATL since 2020. Together, we tackle projects with full transparency where we know each other's strengths, but also challenges. Our close technical collaboration allowed us to not only integrate CATL products into our battery solutions, but also we support them to enhance their products by sharing our field experience and deep knowledge in battery storage design. We're very excited for what's next and we look forward to continue this beautiful journey together. Thank you.
Many, many thanks to our amazing clients for sharing their valuable perspectives and to all of you for joining us today. CATL Path to Horizon's new TENER product launch will end here. We are very grateful for your interest, your partnership and your presence here with us. At this time, another note, we kindly ask media representatives to remain with us. Please come up to me later. If you want to hear it from the person directly, we will enable that. So just meet me here. To everybody else, once again, a billion thank you and enjoy this amazing trade fair. Thanks.